Hi friends, this is a video for those of you who are having trouble accessing Canvas. So to access Canvas, let me show you my screen. First, you start out with this screen right here. You will click right here where it says Student. When you click Student, it will open up a new tab for you where you will enter your email address and your email address. It says or phone. So I'm going to type in, and I'm going to use Brittany's because that's what I have on hand. So you will type in your email address. student.k12.tulsaschools.org. Yes, it's a long email address. So make sure you type it in all correctly. And then the same way you used to log in at school. So that password, if you need that login information, just text or call me, and then you can get that from me. So when you log in, you will see all of this information. You'll see Miss Setter's art class. You'll see your math class, Mr. Hall's music class, your science class, and your reading class. And there will be social studies on there. I'm not sure why it's not showing up for Brittany, but there will be a social studies on there as well. So when you go, you want to click on one of your courses. Let's start with math. So click on math, and here you'll find where your assignments are. You'll see where it says week of April 13th through 17th, which is this week right now. So you'll find today's Monday. So we'll look at Monday. And underneath Monday, we're going to do everything that's under Monday all the way, and we're going to stop where it says Tuesday because we'll do that tomorrow. So you'll watch your instructional video, and this will be the lesson just like we would do in class. Then you'll have your problem set. This one's in English. This one's in Spanish. So whichever one, if you need it in Spanish to have someone help you with it, that's fine. And then you show your work here. So you'll just click show work here, and you can upload your document there or take a picture. If you have problems submitting your work through Canvas, go ahead and text me a picture of your work and I can submit it for you. I don't have a problem doing that. To get back to your courses, you can either click right here where it says courses, or you can click dashboard. Dashboard takes you back to the front page. On reading, we're going to click read. And right here, these announcements, you want to make sure that you read those announcements. So you'll click on that and it'll take you to the announcements because those are important letters that we send out to let you know what's going on next or what you need to do. So for your reading, this week we only have one module. Starting next week, we'll have 2 modules. So again, find Monday. Today's Monday, April 13th. You have it right here. And then you will do everything underneath Monday and stop at Tuesday. So you'll have your welcome page, your elements. So you'll click your welcome page and it'll take you to the first page. And then you can click these little arrows. This first page is the only page that doesn't have me telling you the directions. When you click next, it'll take you to the next part. And you can click play on anything that has this little play button, and that'll be a video for you to watch. And you just hit next all the way through. These little, trying to find one. Okay, so this one's an assignment, and this one is an assignment, and I will see if you have watched the video or not watched the video. That's the assignment on this portion. You won't submit anything on this part. You'll just watch the video, and that is the assignment. And then you even have brain breaks like we used to have in class. If you have any other questions or need help with anything else, you just let me know. I am going to click on one assignment for you so you can kind of see how you would submit it. So we'll go back to math, and we're gonna click on show your work here because that's an assignment. So you'll click show your work here, and you can listen to me tell you the instructions by hitting play. Here. And then, whoops, did not mean to make that wide video. Okay, so and then you hit submit assignment right here and choose file, and that is how you would get your picture from your computer if you had your picture on your computer. Now, sometimes you'll just insert text, which means you'll click right here and you'll just type your response. So those are different ways. And if mom or dad have a, let's not do that part, that might make it a little complicated. So we'll hit cancel on that because we're not going to submit anything. But that is how you access and work through Canvas. If you need any help with that at all, please let me know, and I will be sure to get with you to get that help that you need. So